Chapter 5.
The notes he took throughout his observations eventually became a manuscript and was accidentally discovered by a publisher. He talked Dr. Thoma into publishing his first book, I Saw You Grow, in which he precisely described the phenomenon of moonwood. Dr. Thoma's friends advised him not to disclose secrets of his business. However, he believed that he should not keep this precious knowledge to himself because it could change people's thinking about wood and make the world a little better as a result. He believed that what goes around comes around. This book caused a stir among the entire woodworking industry in the German-speaking area, and many old craftsmen reacted positively to it. However, scientists and other industries responded with a hail of criticism and ridicule. He was called the Moon Whisperer and stamped as an esoteric. An Austrian trade magazine had even commissioned research that was supposed to officially confirm that moonwood was nonsense. And of course, test results matched the client's wishes, as it often happens in such cases. However, the book also reached Professor Ernst Zürcher at the ETH Institute in Zurich. It is the best technical university in Europe and one of the most renowned technical universities in the world. Based on his accumulated knowledge, a 5-year research project was organized to study moonwood. Similar research efforts were also initiated in Vienna and Hamburg. The Vienna and Hamburg research was short-lived and proved nothing. On the other hand, the 5-year research in Zurich confirmed the truth of the old grandfather's knowledge. The results of these studies have appeared in the most reputable publications in the world. Professor Zürcher still continues to research the impact of the moon on various nature-related phenomena. The first thing discovered in Zurich was that a tree would pulse in step with phases of the moon. That is, it would swell and shrink in diameter by a fraction of a millimeter. Nevertheless, its length would never change. It was discovered that each tree would form an electromagnetic field around it. One could think of this as some kind of an aura. The field's potential would increase and decrease in step with the phases of the moon. Next, the research concentrated on the intermolecular interactions in wood, most importantly, those related to water. It was discovered that such interactions, similar to tides, also changed under the influence of the phases of the moon. Water, in its liquid state, always manifests in systems called clusters. This phenomenon is poorly researched and contains many secrets yet to unfold. Some theories claim that such clusters carry information. The ETH Institute in Zurich discovered that during the waning moon, individual molecules of water disconnected from the clusters and temporarily combined with single molecules of cellulose on the surface of capillaries. This can be described as the smallest mechanical mixture that exists. This phenomenon brings quantum physics to mind. The water molecule in this state is no longer in a liquid, gas, or solid state. It is in a fourth state described as gelled or gelatinous. Once the moon phase changes, these molecules separate, which is scientifically inexplicable today. The only significant discovery was that it was controlled by the electromagnetic field surrounding the tree. It can be said that the moon affects the water contained in wood rather than the wood itself, thus improving properties of the wood. If the tree is harvested during the waning moon phase, the resulting timber is so resistant to pests and fungi that the use of any wood preservatives or other chemicals is absolutely unnecessary. Such wood has the potential to last for hundreds of years without any maintenance, water contained in wood rather than the wood itself, thus improving properties of the wood. If the tree is harvested during the waning moon phase, The resulting timber is so resistant to pests and fungi that the use of any wood preservatives or other chemicals is absolutely unnecessary. Such wood has the potential to last for hundreds of years without any maintenance or chemical treatment. As it turns out, this knowledge was already in use in ancient Rome. In their records, moonwood was found to be used in building warships, as it was not prone to be attacked by harmful crustaceans. Julius Caesar instituted the death penalty for shipbuilders who used wood other than moonwood. Pliny, a historian and Roman writer, also wrote about moonwood. Similar laws existed practically in every high culture in human history.